Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start right away by stopping further water movement. Blot the page edges with absorbent towels to remove surface moisture. Press, don't rub, because rubbing spreads fibers and ink. Remove dust with a soft brush and separate covers or loose inserts to prevent liquid transfer. If pages are soaked through, stand the book on its tail and open a few pages to air them. Meanwhile, place a container beneath to catch drips. Once done, arrange blotters between every few pages to begin controlled drying immediately. Continue by creating a drying system that protects structure. Insert blotting paper or unprinted paper towels every 3 to 5 pages to wick moisture away. Replace damp sheets frequently because saturation stalls drying. Use a low-speed fan for gentle airflow. Do not apply direct heat or high temperatures above 40 degrees C, which warps fibers. For heavily soaked books, or when you can't finish drying immediately, freeze the book flat in a sealed bag. Freezing pauses degradation and gives you time to perform careful, controlled drying later. Finish by flattening and making gentle repairs. Once pages are almost dry and slightly pliable, place clean blotters and a flat board on top, then add even weights for 1 to 2 days to reduce cockling. Make sure to rotate blotters as needed. Mend tears using archival tape or Japanese tissue with pH-neutral adhesive to preserve paper longevity. If pages remain stuck, resist pulling. Instead, refreeze the book and separate pages slowly later. This troubleshooting step prevents further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.